Hello everyone, welcome to NextGen AI Academy. I hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform keyboard interactions. To perform keyboard actions, we will be using two concepts. First one by using the actions class and the second way by using the action interface. So the requirement here is in the Google search box, we will be typing selenium by pressing the shift key. When I type selenium without shift key, it will be in lowercase, but the requirement is by pressing the shift key, type selenium. Now the value will be displayed in the uppercase. You may think why to press shift key and do like this. We can press caps lock, no? The motive of this requirement is by pressing key and performing other actions. Here we are entering the value by pressing the shift key. Sometimes same concept we can use it in other way by pressing the control key, performing the mouse action, that is selecting multiple values. Any concept related to keyboard and mouse event can be done using this technique. Okay, let's back to our requirement. After entering this value, I am not clicking on search button, rather than I am pressing the enter key. Now we can see results like this. Okay, let's automate this scenario. First step, let's create a class. Class name keyboard series of action and select public static void main. Click on finish. We will be using the Chrome browser, so creating object instance for Chrome driver and then launching the URL using get method and finally maximizing it. The next step, we have to inspect the element. Right click, inspect, inspecting the search box, and you can see here the locator is name and its value is Q. So declaring the search box web element search box equal to driver dot find element by dot name and the value is Q semicolon, and import the web element package. The next step, we have to create an instance in action class. Actions class object name equal to new action class constructor, passing the driver instance. We already know whenever we want to perform keyboard or mouse event, we have to use the actions class. It's a mandatory step. Now by using the action class, let's try to perform this operation. Last few programs what we did using mouse event, same concept we will implement for keyboard also. Action object dot, now we have to move the element to the search box. So move to element search box, it will be moving to middle of this particular search box. In that we have to press the shift key and type the selenium. For that we have to press the shift key, so I am pressing it, which is also called as key down. And key down we have two method, one is directly passing the key, another one with the web element and key. So the probability of failure will be very less when we select the second one. Even first one is also fine. I am going with the second one. Key down in which object? In search object. What is the key you are going to press now? It is keys dot, you can use left shift or shift, anything is fine. I'm just going with the shift. Literally this is equivalent to pressing the shift key in your keyboard. Then dot, we are going to type the value. So send keys method, again directly you can pass the value or in which web element you want to type the value. In the search box I want to type the value selenium, but I am typing here in lowercase. Once you are done with that, you can take your finger from the shift key. It means key up, from which key? Dot shift. This three line, what it means, in the application by pressing this shift key I am typing selenium. So after this we have to press the enter key. For that, dot send keys. How to press the enter? It is keys dot, it is enter, then dot perform. That's it. Okay, let's execute now. It is navigating, it is typing the value selenium and pressed enter. Since the execution is very quick, if you want to see it, what you can do, instead of thread.sleep we have another method called pass. You can pass for 3 seconds, that is after entering the value it will pass for 3 seconds, then performing enter operation. Running it again. After 3 seconds it will press enter. Now the output is displayed. This is the first way. By using the action class we can do it. And we have another way, that is by using the action interface. For this, use the action interface and give a object name or variable name as series of action equal to, you can import action. You can see 3 suggestions here. Go with the org openqa selenium.interaction. Now same like this you have to do it again. Action dot move to element search box dot key down search box keys dot shift, pressing the shift key, then you want to enter the value in the search box selenium, then dot removing your finger from the shift key, so search box keys dot shift. After this you want to enter it, send keys dot enter, then here instead of perform you are going to build this. The sequence of actions will be created as a build and it will be saved to this particular variable series of action. Now that variable name dot perform. Like this also we can code it. So let me comment this, multi-line comments. Let's execute this one. The code is working perfectly. Either by using action class you can automate or using action interface. Anything is fine. Hope you got a good clarity about this topic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.